What if you could have a virtual assistant working 24/7, answering customer questions while you sleep, and you don't need to write a single line of code? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build your own AI chatbot for your business in just a couple simple steps. Now, sign up for the free guide and 7-day challenge to see how you can do this for your business right now. Let's begin. I'm going to show you the 3 ways to build an AI chatbot in less than 10 minutes. Here are the 3 different platforms you could use: N8N, Chipp, or Chatbase. And at the end, I'll tell you which one I would choose to use, and you're actually going to see me build it out in real time. So let's talk about N8N. N8N is really having a glow up right now. People are using this all across the board, and there's a real reason for this. You can build out your workflows and automations like Make or Zapier, but you can also build in AI agents pretty seamlessly through it, and it's pretty nice. This sequence where you actually can have your chatbot, you can get it for free down below when you have the guide and everything like that. But this will allow you to have your own chatbot. You can make it live, and then you can actually test it out. So right here, we have the actual link. And then if I copy and paste, this is the chatbot running off of this sequence right here. We built it in just, 4 different little steps right here, and you're ready to chat with it. That's one way. But also there are other platforms that can make it a little bit more pretty, or you could do a lot more integration pretty quickly and less thinking, and that would be Chipp. Chipp allows you to basically have a chatbot that you could charge for right out the box. So you can connect it to Stripe. People can do very specific actions, and then you just charge for it. So a lot of people like Chipp for how easy it is and how compact, and you don't have to configure anything at all. Now, Chatbase is really focused for business owners, and now they have the component of AI agents. And simply, AI agents, it allows the agents to do other things, not just reply. So once it gets a reply, it can then set up your calendar or make appointments and do all of these connecting things. But bottom line, this is another great solution. We use this for our clients a lot, and this has been probably the most lucrative thing that we offer, not only for our business, but once we give it to others, it makes a huge difference in their business as well. So that's another option, but it really depends on what you're looking for, right? Because in N8N, I can be a lot more specific. I can start connecting different models. I can be a lot more detailed of what the chatbot is going to do, versus Chipp and Chatbase. It will be a lot easier, but it's going to be on Rails. Let's go with an example real quick. So I'm going to go to my dashboard for my chatbots. I'm going to create a new one here. And then right here, I can decide on the data sources. It can be files, text, a website I can put in, Q&A, or I can connect it to Notion. So say, for instance, I'm just going to connect it to a website real quick. Let's just do it for Brand Factory. All right. So I'll just connect it to our website. Right. We can fetch the links. Okay, that's great. And then also too, if I want, I can put files to know more about my business, or I can put text or whatever I want. Now, once I have all the things, I can do create chatbot. And then it's going to now take me into the playground. Now it says still learning. It says your chatbot is trained and ready. I can decide and really start talking to the chatbot to see if it understands what's going on. But this really allows me to, again, be up and running. And that took less than a minute to start feeding it information, going from there. So then I can see the chat logs. I can even ask it to start collecting leads when it's interacting with my chatbot. I can see different analytics of how well my chatbot did, the topics, the sentiment, and where people are using my chatbot. The sources, again, if I want to add more things to my chatbot, I can do it. And then I can also create more actions or integrate it with things. So I can connect it with Slack, Calendly, Zendesk, and then Sunshine. And then right here, customize how your users interact with your chatbot, view all integrations. That's fine. Let's look at the flow. So we can collect leads, custom button to trigger your own links, web search, We can connect it with a few different things for calendars. And then really, if we want to do webhooks, we can just make it a custom action, whatever we want to do. So again, we can collect the leads. We can make sure that we can schedule. So instead of going back and forth, what's my schedule? I can do that. And again, I can have all the contacts and go from there. And then I can decide if I want to connect it to other things, if I want to share it, embed it on my site, all of those things right in a few minutes. So that is using Chatbase. Chipp, you're going to do something very similar. But again, what makes this special here with Chipp, I see a lot of consultants use this when they're trying to scale their business. Again, this is very similar, but I would look at your use case. What are you trying to do? Where are you at with your business? And then I'd look at the templates of, okay, how are people using this? How are people selling this? Now, some of these examples, some people are doing it for free, but if people are using your chat bot quite a bit, it's going to be possibly pricey. So depending on what they're doing, the actions, some people just, again, go right into having people sell things straight from there. So you're actually selling your own chatbot. Similar to, I didn't talk about it, but Pickaxe is probably a very similar style. I don't like the UI UX so much, but a lot of coaching consultants, educators use this as well. Again, you can charge to use it and all those things. And so that's another option. So in the comment section down below, let me know, what are you trying to build? Are you thinking about building a chatbot for your business? What kind of business are you running? And if you like videos like this and you want us to break this down even more, and you have the guide and the download to get this for free, let us know in the comment section down below, and make sure that you like and subscribe. We do this every single week. I'll see you in the next video.